Hi guys, I will teach you how to make pineapple bird. Okay? Cut the pineapple in half and then cut in quarters. And then cut in quarters. Yeah. And then you will have to, with a sharp knife, I'll do this the other way around. Okay. Then you have like that. And then go get your grapes and just put it like that. Okay, there like that. And then slice. Then with a sharp knife, just cut it like that. Okay, then turn this and then we will slice into little pieces. There you go, guys. Okay, that's how you make pineapple bird. Like that. I cannot show you. Like that.